Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Love Our Life Vlog. Today we are going to Disney's Wide World of Sports because they are having a Passholder exclusive event where all the merchandise is up to 60% off. And we're also heading to Epcot today because we're going to get the new Passholder magnet and hopefully try a treat. Hopefully it's still there. But let's do this. It's going to be a lot of fun. So come on and join us. So I did want to show you guys that this is a virtual queue only. We are group 34. You can see they're calling 1 through 19 right now. So we have about an hour before we can get there. But we're going to head over there anyway because sometimes they call it early. So we went over to the Passholder event and our time still gets pushed back further and further. So we're going to go back to that towards the end of the video. So we decided to come to Epcot first. But a miracle has happened today at Epcot. This is awesome. Are you ready to tell them what the miracle is today? Ooh, monorail. Is it coming?
It is. Slowly but surely.
It's a miracle! Trams have returned to Epcot. How awesome is that? This parking lot definitely needs it. Alrighty. This is crazy. It almost feels like it's unnecessary to have trams here.
Some friendly reminders. Epcot will remain open until 9
Really
p.m.
short
tonight.
trip. Okay, so now we are officially inside of the park and we are gonna head over to Creation Shop, get our magnet first, and then I think if they still have some treats available, we are going to try an exclusive Oswald treat. We are here kind of late. Sometimes you have to be here really early to get those, but we're about to find out. I made it over to Creations to get our magnet and look at this line. My goodness. But usually these lines go really fast, so don't be deceived by that. So like I said, the line isn't too bad. It never is really bad. Yeah, moves pretty fast, so don't be deceived by the length of the line. Also, some trees are going up over here in the World Discovery area. It's going to be amazing. You can hear all of the different construction sounds over there. It says it's going to be in December. All right, here we go. Here is the brand new Oswald Passholder magnet. This is awesome. We have 2 of them, which is great. Hang out to the end of the video to find out what we're going to do with the other one. But this is really cool. I love this. I love the silver. This goes with the Disney 100. It's really awesome. So before we head out of Creations, I wanted to show you guys this brand new Walt Statue. Now this is what is going to go over here when the new section is completed. It's going to be amazing. But this is just a small replica of it, but there will be a life-size statue for you to sit beside. It's cool. They do have plenty of them though, so if you're worried about it, don't worry. They have plenty. Angie was pointing this out to me. They have an ornament of the same thing, which is cool. This is $26.99, and it looks like they also have a pen. And here is the pen I was telling you about. Now they don't have a price tag on it. It just says yellow on it. But this thing's pretty cool. Usually these things run for about 20 bucks. I wanted to show you guys this. You can see some of the construction going up this way. Looks good. We're heading over to Figment, but I noticed they have some speakers that they're building up over here. It's pretty cool. So along this wall here, coming up there, there's the speakers. Okay, made our way over to Journey to Imagination, but we are going to see if we can meet Figment. Hopefully it's not that long of a wait. Here is the sign to meet Figment. He is right over here in ImageWorks, but I wanted to point this out too. You can actually meet Mickey Mouse over here too. It's pretty cool. We might have to do that. Okay, so they said our wait is 45 minutes to an hour. We don't have that time today. We will come back this weekend and meet him. So there he is. That purple dinosaur. I've always been fascinated with over here how you can watch the water just kind of jump. probably like the same type of systems that they have over at Moana, you know, but still cool. So cool, man.
It's not going far enough, see?
Yeah, I know. Needs some work. Okay, it's Land Pavilion time. Let's go in here and see if we can get that exclusive treat. Made it inside the Land Pavilion. Seasons is where we're going to eat today. Let's see if they have the treat over here. All right, here's what you're dealing with, the Oswald cake. I'm not really sure what is in this. We're gonna find out. But they had this chilled in the refrigerator till we actually went to go ask them for it, which is awesome. Also, the Oswald Oreo milkshake. This thing looks amazing. She made it right in front of me. Looks great. Okay, so I'm gonna try the Oswald cake here. Let's try this off. Let's start with the top here. Knock his little face off here. So it's like a white chocolate mousse taste. And here's the actual cake itself, which looks pretty good. There's bits of Oreo in there. That's really good. And of course, you always gotta try one of his ears. Standard chocolate. Clean my palate just a little bit so we can try the milkshake here. The milkshake has the little Oswald character on there. She called it the gold medallion, but let's try it out. And it's really thick. It's pretty good. It's just a standard Oreo milkshake, basically. But it is pretty good, though. So exclusively, these are exclusives, right? So here is what I've eaten out of this thing. It's just okay. It was definitely not the best milkshake I've ever tried in my life. The cake, though, was really good. But it's your typical, like, Disney, what do they call them? Bundt cakes?
Oh.
Something like that? Is that what they're called?
I mean,
Mousse cakes? A la mousse,
Dome.
whatever the dome, that's what it is. Mousse dome cake, something like that. It was really good though. The chocolate was really rich. Had white chocolate on the top, and then little Oreo bites in the middle, which was really good. That was the best thing out of everything. Altogether though, it cost $17 for both, and there's no Passholder discount, which I find is strange since this is a Passholder exclusive item. Oh well. Leaving the Land Pavilion, there is more construction going on. You can see the walls are going up. It's starting to look more and more like a theme park and less like a construction zone. But here soon, in December, they're saying this will be done. Okay, so now out of the park, back to the trams, back to Crush 203, and back to the wide world of sports. Look at that. Never gets old. So waiting on the tram to come pick us up, and I think we're gonna pass on the Passholder event today. But here's why. It's a super long wait. They're saying you have to wait an hour out in the sun.
yeah, and then I read someone's thing, after you wait the hour out in the sun, then you get inside and you're on this like red carpet thing, and then you wait there for an hour, or they won't release you from there until enough people leave that they can allow more people to come in.
Ew.
So people are staying in shopping for an hour or more.
Yeah.
So a lady had to leave to go to work or something, I think.
Well, that makes sense though, because we were in the parking lot waiting and it never moved.
Yeah, no.
That's why we came here. So we were invited to the cast member sale that's going on this Monday. So we're gonna wait and do that then, and then we will video that for you guys and show you guys. But just with our work schedule and everything, it's just kind of hard for us to wait around that long. But anyway, this has been a lot of fun. We've had a good day here. I love Epcot. It's my favorite park. It's just the best. Okay guys, so that was our day out at Epcot. We had a lot of fun picking up our new exclusive Passholder magnet, trying the new treats. Like I said, we will be going to the cast member merchandise sale, so we're going to do that for you guys. I think that's next Monday for us. We will document that for you guys, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button and the notification bell so you know when our next video is coming out. And remember, the road goes ever on. We'll see you next time.